The Segenik VS2SI is a real-time vibration sensor dedicated to improving productivity and reducing downtime in machines. These compact sensors provide real-time monitoring of robots' health condition during production, and will be able to provide immediate feedback when abnormalities occurs. For maximum sensitivity, the sensor head can be installed at the tip of the robot blade, detecting the vibrations generated in the X, Y, Z axis during placement and retrieval motion cycles. The first demonstration shows a healthy robot extending into the FOUP during a wafer placement, and retracting back to its original position. The X, Y and Z charts on the top right corner shows a desirable vibration behavior of the robot. In the case of unhealthy robot, the X and Y axis experience irregular motion during the wafer placement action. This may result in the wafer colliding against the sides of the FOUP. During a retrieval motion, the unhealthy robot blade experiences a cantilever effect, causing undesirable Z-axis vibration. This would result in scratches on the surface of the wafer position below it. The vibration behavior during wafer gripping process can be used to monitor the plunger condition and robot position calibration. A healthy plunger generates a low-impact single-action gripping of the wafer. A worn-out plunger will induce a high-impact double-action gripping in the same process. Similarly, a robot which with miscalibrated position will experience a double impact on the fangs when the plunger engages the wafer during gripping. On a vacuum-operated blade, the vibration sensor can be used to detect the timely suction and release of the wafer. This can be especially critical during placement, as a delayed vacuum release can result in undesirable downward tension and even damage of the wafer.